Hey, what's up everybody? So,
hi guys.
Today's a pretty sweet video. We are announcing that we are going to South Africa for our honeymoon. And
Almost a year after we got married.
yeah, and about 3 years approaching since we originally booked this trip. So if you didn't know, we got married in March of 2021. It's pretty amazing. Maybe eventually YouTube will let me not copyright the songs that we have in our video, and I'll post that video at some point, but it was really special and amazing. And when we got married, we did a mini moon at a local winery. It was really nice, but the big ticket that we've been waiting for has been this trip to South Africa. So
yeah, we're super excited. Originally, we were supposed to do South Africa and Victoria Falls and Zambia and Zimbabwe, but with everything going on, we're like, oh, it'd be a lot easier just to stick in one country. So we're gonna do Cape Town for 4 nights, and then the Winelands for 2, and then 6 nights on a safari in 2 different locations.
It's going to be pretty crazy, and we'll bring you guys along for the whole time, but we wanted to share today the announcement and that we tested negative for the big thing.
We just got our results back, so we're officially going. Everyone kept asking me what happens if we test positive, and I was like, I don't know.
We were just kind of not really trying to think about that, but and then we wanted to kind of share with you what our favorite items were. So from the backpack, this is your carry-on backpack. I'll pack my own probably tomorrow. I'm a little bit behind, but what's your favorite thing out of here?
I would say the Canon camera, like for taking pictures. It's my mom's old one, and it's really nice, and so that's gonna be really cool to have on the safari. I'm excited to use that. Maybe
we'll get some good stills with that. We'll bring this camera that we're recording with now for a basic vlog style, but this will be good for those crisp shots. So. Yeah. What about this bag? So this is also both of ours.
This has all my athletic clothes in it, and I'm super excited for potentially hiking Lion's Head. So that has my favorite, not my favorite, that has my outfit that I'll probably wear for that. Okay. And I also packed 6 books, so I'm super excited to read some of these books. I also have my favorite book that I'm most excited for in my carry-on. I kind of plan on finishing the whole thing tomorrow on our flight to Amsterdam. We'll see what happens. So.
Yeah, I was hoping to get some books, but I was pretty lazy and I didn't order any, so I guess I'll try to read some of what
You'll just read the ones that I bought.
Yeah.
They might be kind of girly, but it's okay.
It's okay. It's still a good story, hopefully.
What about you, Tyler? What's your favorite?
So I ordered a bunch of new clothes for this trip, just because I needed to update my wardrobe anyway, so I'm pretty excited for the new shorts and shirts. Pretty comfortable gym shorts and athletic shorts, as well as some comfortable shirts to wear whenever. Out of here, well, this looks like a bunch of shoes, socks, and our,
those are some toiletries.
Bug spray.
These are wipes. Bug spray wipes. So we have 3 of these boxes, and we also have spray somewhere. Right here. I also have all of this, because we're going to be in, like, the South African, like, woods, I guess.
Just trying to be safe. So we packed pretty much anything that we could possibly think of that we might need. We went ahead and got new of it.
Yeah.
So bring it.
And then 6 bottles of spray sunscreen, 1 lotion, and then I have another face lotion in there because the UV is really high. One, we're going to Africa, and then there's also summer down there, so I figured we should get some pretty strong sunscreen. So I'm very excited about that. I hope we have enough. I also went to Walmart and bought just about every medicine you can get for any kind of pain, because I want to be able to enjoy this trip to the maximum, and I don't want something to stop that. So we're very well prepared. Maybe I'll do a more in-depth video about that or something. Because there's a lot of stuff in here that you might not think about.
Okay, so maybe.
I think it could be good content. Or maybe we'll do it after a video.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. So, and the last bag seems to just be more general clothes. Yeah. Nothing too particular.
All our nice stuff, and then for like dinners and stuff, and then we also have all our safari stuff. So we each have a lot of these colors, and lots of beige, lots of lightweight, because it's going to be almost 100 degrees in the safari location. So it'll be a little cooler in Cape Town and the Winelands, but the safari is going to be like in the 90s.
Yeah.
So that's my favorite part from here, is the safari stuff, because that's definitely what I'm most excited for.
Yeah. So we're really excited to be able to record and share this with you guys. Tomorrow morning we will finish up getting ready and we'll start our travel day. When do we get there? It's what? The next day, evening?
Yeah, Cape Town is 7 hours ahead. We're in Atlanta, so we're flying from Atlanta to Amsterdam, And then we have a 3.5-hour layover in Amsterdam, and then we have a 12-hour flight down to Cape Town. So we have a solid 24-hour travel day based on flight times, but it's gonna be longer than that because my dad's picking us up at noon tomorrow to go down to the airport.
Wow.
So
quite the day.
We will let you guys know what the total is from leaving our house to walking into our hotel room in Cape Town.
Okay. We'll
It's
start the
gonna
watch
be
at some
long.
point. Start a timer on our phone, I don't know.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea. That'll be fun.
Alright, well the next clip will probably be...
At the airport,
At the airport? Yeah.
Fingers
Alright.
crossed.
See you guys there.
Bye. Hello.
Hey, what's up everybody? So we're at the airport right now. We'll show a couple clips, but we just finished eating some PF Chang's. We had some lettuce wraps and some Kung Pao chicken. It was pretty good.
Always a solid free
Yeah.
trip meal.
Yeah, so pretty good.
Yeah.
But now we're waiting to get on the plane. It's going to be pretty good.
Yeah.
Show a clip of the plane that we'll be boarding, and maybe we'll snag some clips along the way as we get on to boards. But we're not, I don't know how we're going to do this. I'm still getting used to vlogging and not trying to be too obnoxious, but we definitely want to try to capture as much as we can and kind of get everything documented. So we'll be happy to share it with you guys. But we're gonna.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty amazing.
Yeah,
Super.
everything's gone pretty good so far. It took us an hour and a half to get to the airport.
Yeah. Did you start the timer on your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
did.
we're at what, like 3.5 hours, 4 hours. So making good time, not too bad. Thank you again to Addie's dad for driving us down. It saved us a lot on the parking fee. But
Friday afternoon Atlanta traffic.
yeah,
It's not good.
Atlanta traffic's not good at all. But anyway, so this is a little touch base after showing you all the packing that we did. We're gonna get ready to make the first leg of our trip. We got to Amsterdam. It's about 7 or 8 hours, and then we'll lay over for about 4.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, passengers traveling on KLM 624, that's approaching flight 9667 to Amsterdam. If you please take a moment to look at the boarding pass. Atlanta Amsterdam boarding pass must be marked with a green color marker. That means all of your documentations were verified here in Atlanta and you can board this flight. If you do not see that green marking on the boarding pass, please come to the podium. All passengers must re-verify their documents here in Atlanta in order to board the KLM flight. Even if you have checked your documents at other stations, you must.
Alright, we're back after that announcement. So, but anyway.
I think a couple cool things. Right after my dad dropped us off at the airport, we saw the plane that we're taking. It was landing coming back
Yeah,
from
we got that
Amsterdam
clip
to Atlanta.
for
So that
right
was
here
cool.
too. So
Yeah, so we saw that, and then what else?
I don't know. It's been not too busy this so far.
No,
So
it's been pretty good.
we'll hop on the plane, do our first leg, maybe get some sleep, maybe watch some good shows, and
Yeah.
go from there. But we'll bring you guys
Yeah.
along. So we're gonna do our transition here, and
We'll see it in the air.
We're gonna try to be quiet, so hopefully you can hear us. But
We finally made it after almost 30 hours of traveling. This is insane.
yeah,
I
so,
knew this would be awesome, but like insane.
so it's pretty late. We're gonna be.
It's midnight,
Yeah, it's midnight.
which is 5 p.m. our time.
Yeah, so it's not too bad for us, but we're gonna try to get some sleep soon. But we just want to wrap up this first video for the packing and the traveling day. Didn't really get to film a whole lot, but
We sat on a plane for like
yeah, it was pretty much
20
not,
hours.
Yeah, pretty much not much to film. So
Yeah, but we have some chocolates and some roses, and they're bringing us high tea, and we're gonna pop some champagne.
yeah.
And it's
So
just midnight, and why not?
all right, well, stay tuned. We're gonna show you around tomorrow when it's daytime, and I think we're gonna go to Table Mountain. So
And
stay
Cape
tuned.
Town tour.
And Cape
City
Town
tour.
tour. Yeah. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Stay tuned. We're gonna post again tomorrow or the next day or
I don't know.
some-
Maybe we'll get back to this
whatever
days.
schedule. But anyways, stay tuned for the next one.
Cheers.